This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 12th of January. James Spann here. It's a cold day today, but we are promising warmer weather in the days ahead. The warmest weather so far this year. That sounds good. Check out the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, from downtown Birmingham. That's the view from the top of the Daniel Building looking south. Our thermometer up there showing 38 degrees at 2 o'clock. A bit warmer down at the airport. They've got 41. Let's go way down south. The battleship USS Alabama. A bright, sunny, cold day down at Mobile Bay. And let's go up north. The Tennessee River is seen from the Skycam up in Morgan County on a sunny, cold day. They're in the mid-30s up there. A little wave came through this morning, producing some clouds, and that's passing us by. And that should be the last in the series here, as the flow flips around and things get warmer and ultimately wetter about the time the weekend begins. There's a look at the temperatures around the nation this afternoon. We've got, 25 at Chicago. That's not bad for them. And there's a chance they will be above freezing for the first time in 2010 on Thursday. Same thing for Indianapolis and Cincinnati, all those cities up there. Look at our numbers. We've got 41 for the Birmingham airport, but 36 at Cullman, 36 for Anniston, 37 for Alexander City. But after today, we are going to move up in the right direction. Man, it's quiet out there. That's a watch warning map. Hardly anything happening around the nation of interest. That's good. Next storm will be over the Gulf of Mexico. And this is rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. And you can see some pretty big numbers on the western Gulf Coast, even up into central Alabama. That's suggesting some 2-inch rains, maybe as far north as Montgomery, with amounts of about 1 inch up this way. And for an El Nino kind of system, you'd figure that would be about right. The GFS still looks kind of dry, but I would side with the guys at HPC on this. Look at the output of the 12Z GFS, valid at noon tomorrow, at 500 millibars. And again, you can see how the polar jet is beginning to lift north. Down below that, a beautiful day, sunny. Now, in the morning, we'll be down there in the 20 to 23 degree range for most spots, teens for the colder valleys, but we'll wind up in the upper 40s. Thursday, we go up in the low 50s. Moisture gathering off to the west. And Friday, there's your big trough in the southern branch down over Old Mexico. And down at the surface, kind of a messy-looking storm over Texas and the western Gulf. A lot of rain there, but we stay dry. We'll call it partly sunny. Maybe upper 50s in here on Friday. And I would imagine some of our friends in West Alabama might touch 60 for the first time this year. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, the GFS keeps the heaviest rain way down south, with the surface low coming inland around Apalachicola, but we note the European is farther north and certainly a lot wetter. It's got the surface low near Jackson, Mississippi. This is Saturday at midnight, Saturday night. And again, based on climatology, you'd kind of side with that idea, so we'll certainly lean toward a good chance of rain at times Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and then Sunday, the system is on by. Probably some clouds Sunday morning, giving way to a partly sunny afternoon, and no cold air behind that. The 540 line is in Canada on Sunday. And then Monday of next week looks like a pretty good day. Highs in the 50s, pretty decent amount of sunshine, and Tuesday the same thing. A couple of days later, the 21st of January, trough rotating through here. That suggests a wet weather system with rain likely, maybe some thunder in there. And at the end of the forecast on the 28th, we noticed the polar connection beginning to open back up toward the Arctic. And again, it's not going to be allowed south at that point if this is right. But look at the cold air moving down into the northern states. It's very cold up there, and it won't take a lot to get it down here. But still, for now, that looks relatively mild. So again, the good news for the rest of January, at least, we see no major intrusion of Arctic air. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.